How do you do? It's Lukey Poo at Kuhn Truck and RV, your favorite little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation, family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, and my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo. But you can call me anytime at 440 Ohio RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440 Ohio RVs. Again, that's 440 OHIO RVS. For sale today, we have a 2023 Coachmen Beyond 22C all-wheel drive with only 11,170 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2023 Coachmen Beyond 22C. This is an all-wheel drive, gas chassis camper van. Low miles. Very nice condition. You can find more details and specs on this camper van at the links in the video description. Hard surface flooring makes it easier to keep clean. Furnace duct down here by the floor. Fire extinguisher. Got this nice light and a nice grab bar here as you come up and into the coach. You pull this screen across here. Going to allow you to have this door open if you're parked somewhere beautiful, keep the bugs out and get some nice fresh air. Pull this blind down if you'd like privacy. Some awning controls, coach battery disconnect. This controls the Truma water heater. Multiplex lighting system, control system here from Firefly. Auto gen start. So you're going to do a lot of your things on the coach here, from your lights, your HVAC, generator, things like that, all through that. This is going to control the max air fan here on the roof. This is going to control the Truma Aventa air conditioner. We have a 2,000 watt Xantrex Freedom inverter on this. Really nice wet bath. Very easy to get in. Actual porcelain stool. And it's going to drain there into the floor. Nice mirror to help you get ready. Good amount of headroom. You can pull the curtain around you to help contain the water. Counter extension here with some storage. This top slides out, gives you access to that. Induction cooktop. So nice and sink. Nice tall faucet. Paper towel holder. Tank heater switches. Some other doodads here that comes with this RV. Again, keep an eye on the specs here on the screen. Control for the Xantrex Freedom X inverter. It's a 2,000 watt. This is for the solar. You can turn that on and off there. There's the Wi-Fi Ranger. Just the button for that is over there. Spice rack. 3 nice drawers. As well as this one over here. Sponge drawer. There's power on the other side of this cabinet here. I'm gonna make that convenient for making that a cooking station or a coffee station. Microwave. Nova Cool. DC powered compressor driven fridge and freezer. The inverter is located beneath this bench. The electrical panel is located here. Noxious gas detector. A head unit back here. Turn on the radio. Connect your phone, whatever device you got there. There's another pull-down screen here in the back. Works great if you want to park somewhere beautiful, have these doors open, and be able to enjoy that without having bugs come in after you. Some nice blackout things here on those windows in the back. You can open up these side ones here with the screens. Get some nice airflow, cross breeze here in the back. Pull up the shades, get privacy while you're parked. You can remove these armrest cushions. These back cushions can make up the big bed here. There's a lagoon table that mounts here that will have some different options for how you can put that if you'd like. I'm going to drop you some pictures now so you can see what that stuff looks like made up and get some measurements. The base and top of the lagoon table can swivel to virtually any position within the mechanism's range. If you don't like the armrests and side cushions, leave them at home. The rear sofa goes down with the push of a button, and the twin beds measure approximately 72 inches north-south or front to back in the RV and 21 inches east-west or side to side. The big bed measures approximately 72 inches north-south or front to back and 68 inches east-west or side to side. The front seats swivel and have an additional table to create a second seating zone in this camper van. Why did the snowman go to the garden? To pick his nose. Charging center here, the DC port, 2 USBs, AC power over here. Nice little drawer for your remotes, things like that. We have another controller here for the multiplex system. AC power, another charging station here with DC power, a couple of USBs. You can run the power sofa up and down here. These different speakers in the back. They're connected to the unit up in the cabinet. Little magazine racks, tuck your Atlas. Front table mount. A little more room back here if you want to put a few other things. Overhead storage. More of that up here. Really nice camper van, all-wheel drive, low miles, really clean inside and out. I'm going to call this one a 9.5 out of 10. Check this out along with our other inventory of small motorhomes at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Up here in the cabin area, we have all sorts of connectivity options, steering wheel controls, nice big screen with Sirius capability, navigation. I'm sure you can connect all sorts of phones and other goodies. A couple power stations up here on the dash as well. Nice spot for your cups, things like that. Just a little bit of mud here, dirt on the carpet from my shoes, but this has been thoroughly clean. It was very clean to begin with. Minimal use. Upholstery, everything is in excellent condition. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this 2023 Coachmen Beyond 22C. This camper van measures 22 feet bumper to bumper with a 12.5-foot power awning. This van is built on a Ford Transit 350 HD chassis with only 11,170 miles. We have dual rear wheels. This is all-wheel drive. The tires have 2022 date codes. Nice awning. Got a light on that. Love having a power awning. Just makes that easy to put in and out. Got a handle to help you get up and into the camper van. Furnace exhaust, 2 AC plug-ins so you can plug things in out here beneath the awning. Spray port hose, we'll see that here in just a little bit. Nice storage area here back behind the sofa with a nice net to hold everything in. Coming around to the driver's side. Generator is underneath the unit. This is the exhaust for that. Low pressure LP connection. Freshwater tank connection on the left. Black tank flush in the center. City water on the right is going to provide the pressure for your water systems from the hose. Really nice looking unit. Basically looks like new. I could tell you this was new and you'd believe it. It looks really great. One of the only blemishes, a little bit of discoloration here on that trim piece. 30 amp smart plug. Again, we have dual rear wheels, all-wheel drive. Connect an exterior solar panel here. Connect a spray port. It's great for washing off your boots after a hike. Go for a walk on the beach, wash the sand off. Great for kids or pets, keep the mess out of the camper van. We're gonna do the black first on this side and then the gray. Everything's gonna come out of this same tube. Fill the fuel tank here. Really nice motorhome. Check this out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and the home of the RV brothers.